integral equation if both limits upper and lower limits, both limits of integration are constant. A and B both are constants. Then the integral equation, the standard form of the integral equation is g of x into y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda integral a to b k of x comma t into y of t dt is called Fredholm integral equation. Okay. This integral equation is said to be first kind whenever g of x is equal to 0. When g of x is equal to 0, then the integral equation becomes here, this is 0, means f of x plus lambda integral a to b k of x comma t y of t dt is 0. Is a lambda is a constant, it may be positive or negative. So we can write f of x is equal to lambda into integral a to b k of x comma t y of t dt. Okay, we can write like this. F of x is equal to lambda k of x comma t y of t dt is called Fredholm integral equation of first kind. Fredholm integral equation of first kind. Okay. Now this Fredholm integral equation is said to be second kind whenever g of x is equal to 1. If g of x is equal to 1, then the integral equation becomes y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda integral a to b k of x comma t y of t dt is called Fredholm integral equation. Fredholm integral equation of second kind. Okay. Now this Fredholm integral equation is said to be homogeneous whenever when f of x is 0, then integral equation becomes g of x into y of x. Here f of x is 0. So here lambda integral a to b k of x comma t y of t dt. Okay, y of t dt. This integral equation is called homogeneous Fredholm integral equation. Okay. Now this is the important types of Fredholm integral equations. Okay, first kind, second kind, and homogeneous. And similarly, for Volterra integral equation. What is the meaning of Volterra integral equation? An linear integral equation of the form. The general form I'm writing here. G of x into y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda integral a to b k of x comma t. This is a kernel y of t dt, unknown function y of t dt. Okay, this is called Volterra integral equation.
Sir, limits function of.
Okay, I mentioned here Volterra integral equation if upper limit of the integration must be a variable. Integration is a variable. Okay. Now what about the lower limit? Lower limit may be constant lower limit may be a variable, okay, but the upper limit must be a variable. In this case, this type of integral equation is called Volterra integral equation. That means the integral equation of the form, the integral equation of the form, we are writing the general form of the Volterra integral equation, g of x into y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda integral. It may be constant, it may be variable, lower limit, but the upper limit must be a variable. K of x comma t y of t dt. Y of t dt is called Volterra integral equation. Volterra integral equation. Now this Volterra integral equation is said to be first kind whenever g of x is equal to 0, then it is called, it is means your Volterra integral equation. It is called Volterra integral equation of first kind, okay. When g of x is equal to 1, if g of x is equal to 1, then it is called, this Volterra integral equation is called Volterra integral equation of second kind. Similarly, when f of x is equal to 0, if f of x is equal to 0, then what is the equation here? G of x into y, g of x into y of x is equal to lambda integral a to x k of x comma t y of t dt. This is called homogeneous Volterra integral equation. Volterra integral equation. Okay. These are we covered in the last class, and also whenever g of x into y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda into integral a to b k of x comma t y of t dt. Here k of x comma t is called kernel of integral equation. Okay. So in the integral equation, just I mentioned here, in the integral equation, okay, I'm taking this standard form here. G of x, y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda integral a to b k of x comma t, a of x comma t, y of t dt. Y of t dt. This is a standard form. Okay. In the integral equation, the known function k of x comma t is a known function. Okay. The known function k of x comma t, k of x comma t is called kernel of integral equation. Kernel of integral equation. We can classify kernel of integral equations in symmetric kernel and skew symmetric kernel. Okay. Now here the important topic here, degenerate kernel. Degenerate kernel. This is also known as separable kernel. Separable kernel. Degenerate kernel is also known as separable kernel. Okay. What is the meaning of degenerate kernel? First of all, we are taking a kernel k of x comma t. K of x comma t. This is my kernel. Kernel means it is appeared, it is a known function of the integral equation. This is called degenerate kernel. Degenerate kernel. This kernel is said to be degenerate kernel if The condition is it can be expressed as you can observe here the sum of the finite number of terms. Sum of the finite number of terms, each of which is product each of which product functions of x and t. Okay, that kernel k of x comma t can be represented as the sum of the finite number of terms, and also each of which is the product of x and t. That means the kernel in the form of k of x comma t is equal to sum alpha x into beta t. It is a product of x and t. Okay, you may take the summation. Okay, summation of the all terms. That means, in other words, we can write it as k of x comma t is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n alpha I x product beta I t. It is a product of both the variables x and t. Okay, this kernel is called degenerate kernel. In other words, separable kernel. Okay, degenerate or separable kernel. Okay, we can see the examples to identify which kernel is separable or not. Okay, first I am taking one kernel, that is k of x comma t is equal to e to the power of x minus t. Okay, this is my kernel. So this can be written as e to the power of x into e to the power of minus t. Okay, so this is a product of two functions of x and t. So it is a degenerate kernel. Okay, you may expand e power x separately, e power minus t separately, and that is also function of x and t, product of functions of x and t. Okay, this is an example of degenerate kernel. Similarly, if you take another kernel, k of x comma t is equal to sine of x minus t. Okay, you may write it as sine of a minus b formula. That is sine x cos t minus cos x sin t. Okay, this is the product of functions of x and t. This is the product of functions of x and t, and this is the sum. Okay, difference means summing. Okay, subtraction means addition of one positive, one negative number. Okay, this is the sum. So this is also degenerate kernel. Degenerate kernel. If we take another function, I am taking e to the k of x comma t is equal to x minus t whole to the power of n for n belongs to n. According to binomial expansion, we can expand this. Is it degenerate or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, it is not degenerate. Why it is not degenerate? We can expand this according to binomial expansion. What is the result here? First term?
X to the power.
1, sir. 1. X minus t, sir.
X minus t. Okay. Next term is?
X minus 2 whole square.
Okay, there is no product of x and t. So it is non-degenerate kernel. degenerate kernel, non-degenerate kernel. If we take another function, k of x comma t is equal to e to the power of x into t. Is it generator, not non-degenerate? E to the power of x into t. Can we write this as e power x into e power t? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No.
So, no. So while expanding this, can you get the product of function of t and x? So it is non-degenerate kernel. Okay. If we take another example, k of x comma t, k of x comma t is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity x to the power of n into t to the power of n. Is it degenerate or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
It
No.
is
No.
No.
yes or no? What is the first term here? X into t.
xt square
Next
plus
term
x
is x
square
square t square. Now, what
square
about it?
power of
Degenerate or not?
Generate,
No.
sir. Degenerate.
Yes, this is degenerate.
Degenerate.
Sir, product of
Degenerate.
x into product of t గా ఉంది.
ఉంది కదండి, ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టీ ఉంది కదా, ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ టీ అవైలబుల్ ఇయో.
Yes, sir.
Okay, product is available and the summation is also available here. So it is an example of degenerate kernel. Don't confuse. Okay. If you take another function, k of x comma t is equal to.
Excuse me.
Yes.
పవర్
Yes.
ఎక్స్టీ ని కూడా ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ చేస్తే ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్టీ వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
E to the power of
X minus t whole power n. Sir, k of
yes.
x comma t is equal to x minus t whole power n. That is the binomial expansion.
In middle term we get it.
వస్తుందా అండి? ఎక్స్ అండ్ టీ ప్రోడక్ట్ టర్మ్ వస్తుందా?
X minus t whole power n.
No,
NC
sir.
0.
First
అందులో
term is only x power n. No,
అంటే మిడిల్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది అంటారు. ఓకే, మిడిల్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది అంటారు. ఎక్స్ మైనస్ టీ హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ లో మిడిల్ టర్మ్.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes. So it is degenerate.
Degenerate, sir.
Degenerate.
Degenerate.
Okay. Similarly, you can take this also. K of x comma t is equal to x plus t whole to the power of n for n belongs to n. This is also degenerate kernel. Okay. Now if we take another function, I am taking k of x comma t is equal to e to the power of mod x plus t. Is it degenerate or not? So when we, this is equal to two possibilities are there here. Here first one is e power x plus t. Second one is e to the power of minus x plus t. Here what is the condition? 0 is less than or equal to x. Okay, in other words, we can write it as x is greater than or equal to 0. Here x is less than 0. Now is it degenerate or not? Yes or no?
Right, sir. Degenerate.
Degenerate kernel.
Yeah, sir.
Degenerate kernel. Okay. Degenerate kernel. Okay. Now this is how we can identify the kernel is degenerate or not. Okay, we can see the product of x terms and t terms, and there is a summation between them. Okay, that is called degenerate kernel. Degenerate kernel is also known as separable kernel. Okay. Now solution of the integral equation. Okay. యాక్చువల్గా మనం ముందు హౌ టు ఫార్మ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈక్వేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, తర్వాత సొల్యూషన్ డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. కానీ ఫస్ట్ మనం సొల్యూషన్ నుండి బ్యాక్ వెళ్దాం. ఓకే, దెన్ వీ కెన్ హౌ టు కన్వర్ట్ ది డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ నుండి వెళ్తే మనకి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, మనం థియరీ లా కాకుండా మనం కాంపిటేటివ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాం కాబట్టి షార్ట్ కట్లోనే వెళ్దాం. ఓకే, నా what is the meaning of solution of the integral equation? A function, any function, I am taking y of x is called solution of the integral equation. Of the integral equation means standard form of the integral equation. Okay, if it satisfies the given integral equation. Okay, whenever a function which satisfies the given integral equation, then that function is called a solution of the integral equation. Okay, let us take one example here. I am taking a function y of x is equal to e to the power of x into 2x minus 2 by 3. Okay, we are taking this as a function. Okay, and consider Fredholm integral equation. So I am taking that equation as okay, very important. You can be chudagani bit petechandi. The equation is y of x plus 2 into integral 0 to 1 e to the power of x minus t y of t dt is equal to 2x into e to the power of x. This is my Fredholm integral equation. For this Fredholm integral equation, this y of x is equal to e power x into 2x minus 2 by 3 is a solution or not. We can check. Okay, if you take the LHS here, I am considering LHS, that is my y of x plus 2 integral 0 to 1 e to the power of x minus t y of t dt. Okay, simplify this value. Here y of x is e power x of 2x minus 2 by 3 plus 2 times of integral 0 to 1 e power x minus t. Now replace x by t here in this. So we get e power t 2t minus 2 by 3 into dt. Okay, we are just writing y of x value here. So the first term is 2x e power x minus 2 by 3 e power x. Here e power x minus t, e power t will be cancelled. 2 e power x is free from integration 0 to 1. Here remaining 2t minus 2 by 3 dt. Okay, now this is 2x e power x minus 2 by 3 e power x plus 2 e power x. Now integration of this t square minus 2t by 3 and t limits 0 to 1 and apply it. That is 2x e power x minus 2 by 3 e power x plus 2 e power x. Here 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 become 3 by 1 by 3. 1 by 3 here 2. 2 e power x into 1 by 3. Yeah. Yeah. 1 minus 2 by 3. Is it correct? Lower limit is 0. Allow 0 kadandi. 0 కాబట్టి కంప్లీట్ గా 0 రాసేసాను. లేదంటే రాసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ దట్ ఈస్ 1 minus 2 by 3 and the lower limit is 0. Okay, this is 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 will be cancelled. So this is 2x e power x. This is equal to RHS. So this satisfies the given integral equation. So Therefore, y of x is equal to e power x into 2x minus 2 by 3 is the solution of integral equation. Okay, this is the solution of the integral equation. Similarly, we are taking your Friedel-Holm integral equation. Okay, now we can take the another function. Some y of x is equal to, please mute, y of x is equal to 1 plus x square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. And consider Volterra integral equation. We are taking Volterra integral equation, that is y of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square minus integral 0 to x t by 1 plus x square into y of t into dt. Okay, now substitute here. One second. Yeah. Okay. So you can substitute here. Take the RHS here. I am taking RHS, that is 1 by 1 plus x square minus integral 0 to x. This is a general procedure, and we can discuss later. We discuss the shortcut tips. Okay, how to find the option, which option is the right option, or which option is the solution of the given integral equation. Okay, we can take the different types of problems with the help of shortcut tips. Okay. Now we are taking here RHS, that is 1 by 1 plus x square minus integral 0 to x. Here t by 1 plus x square into y of t dt. Okay. So we know that y of x is, we are given 1 plus x square whole power minus 3 by 2. Substitute here. So here 1 by 1 plus x square minus integral 0 to x t by 1 plus x square. Y of t become 1 plus t square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2 into dt. Okay. So here 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square integral 0 to x. Here we can write t into 1 plus t square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. We are taking the x term outside of the integration. Now use the substitution method. Put sum p is equal to 1 plus t square and differentiate with respect to t. We get dp is equal to 2t into dt. Okay, and substitute here. This is so when t limit is 0, if t is equal to 0, then p limit is 1, and if t is equal to x, then p limit become 1 plus x square. These are the limits of the integration. So this is equal to, we are substituting here 1 by 1 plus x square as this, 1 by 1 plus x square as this integral. Here 1 to 1 plus x square. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 1 plus x square. T into dt, that is dp by 2. dp by 2 and 1 plus t square become p, that means p to the power of minus 3 by 2. Okay. So integrate it. That is equal to here 1 by 1 plus x square as this. Here 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. Here integral is,
sir.
Yes, చెప్పండి sir. p to the power of minus 3 by 2 into dp. చెప్పండి, డౌటా? Any
Sir,
question?
the f of x whole power of n into f dash x simple అవుతుందా సార్? f of x whole power of n into f dash x 2 తో మల్టిప్లై అండ్ డివైడింగ్ చేస్తే సింపుల్ గా వచ్చేస్తుందేమో సార్.
షార్ట్ కట్ ఫార్ములా వాడుతున్నారు. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ x whole power into f dash x వాడితే డెరివేటివ్ t స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్
1 plus
okay,
t square whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 అదే
okay, done.
Minus.
డైరెక్ట్ ఓకే ఓకే
Okay.
అలా కూడా చేసుకోండి, అలా కూడా చేయండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Now here I am taking 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. Here p power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 means p power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 when we the p limits are 1 to 1 plus x square. Here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be cancelled. This become plus. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 1 plus x square. Upper limit is 1 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. Become 1 by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by it is 1. Okay, that means 1 only. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square first term. Here 1 by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, this term and this term will be cancelled. So it becomes 1 plus x square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. It is nothing but y of x. This is nothing but y of x. That means it is a LHS. We are taking RHS, okay, and we are getting LHS. So the function y of x is equal to 1 plus x square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2 be the solution. Be the solution of the integral equation. Okay. Whenever we are given the function, when that function satisfied the given integral equation, then that is called the solution of the given integral equation. Okay. Now I am taking one question from CSRNet. I am taking the solution of the Fredholm integral equation. Fredholm integral equation. Y of x is equal to x plus integral 0 to 1 x into t y of t dt. Okay, we have options here. First option 1, that is 1 by 3 x. Second option 3 by 2 x, and third option 3 by 4 x. Fourth option 4 by 3 x. Okay, every option is the product of x, some constant into x. So we are taking the solution for this integral equation is of the form y of x is equal to some constant into x, let us say. Okay, we need to calculate a value. Okay, so substitute here. Ax is equal to, we are substituting in the given integral equation, x plus integral 0 to 1 x into t. Y of t become a into t dt is as this. So the left side will be ax is equal to x plus x into a into x constant, a constant, free from integration. That's why we are writing integration 0 to 1 t square dt. So here ax is equal to x plus ax. Now integrate t cube by 3. T limits are 0 to 1. So we get here ax will be cancelled. It is product. This is product. 1 second. T equal to 0 to 1. Okay, here ax is there. Okay, now x will be cancelled. a is equal to 1 plus a into your upper limit is 1 by 3, lower limit is 0.
మిగతా వాళ్ళు
So-
రెస్పాన్స్ చేయండి చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఆన్సర్ పెడితే పెట్టండి.
Okay, so this becomes 2a by 3 is equal to 1, means a is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2 means y of x is equal to a into x. That is 3 by 2 into x. So what is the right option? 3 by 2 x. Second option is the right option. Okay. మనకి ఇలా అంటే షార్ట్ కట్ ఏదో ఒక షార్ట్ కట్ లో మనకు ప్రాబ్లం దొరికిపోతుందండి. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ సీ ద క్వశ్చన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ అనదర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ సేమ్ CS Net. ఓకే, the value of small a, the value of small a for which phi of x is equal to 1 plus ax is solution of integral equation. We are given integral equation 0 to x e to the power of x minus t phi of t into dt is equal to x. Okay, this is the integral equation and we have options. First option is 1, second option -1, third option 2, and fourth option 2. Sorry, third option -2, fourth option is 2. Okay, we have these options. We need to calculate the a value when phi of x is equal to 1 plus ax is the solution of the corresponding integral equation. Just substitute in place of phi of t 1 plus at. Okay, and after integration we'll get the solution of the, one second, 1 minute, sir. I think. Yeah. Now I'm taking integral equation, that is integral 0 to x e to the power of x minus t phi of t. Phi of t means here 1 plus a into t dt is equal to x. Okay, now integrate the left hand side. Here e power x is constant. Okay, so e power x integral 0 to x e power minus t into 1 is e power minus t first term plus a into t into e power minus t. Okay, dt is equal to x. Now integral 0 to x, we are I'm writing one more step here. 0 to x e power minus t plus a into t into e power minus t dt is equal to, we are taking e power x outside of the, is equal to x into e power minus x. So the left side integration e power minus t integration minus e power minus t plus a constant uv formula t, u is equal to t, v is integration of e power minus t minus integral v, that is minus e power minus t, and du under differentiation of t means dt, and the limits are t is equal to 0 to x, that is equal to x into e power minus x. Okay, so here also you can use the limits t is equal to 0 to x. Okay, now simplify it. Here first e power minus x plus 1. Okay, here a into minus t e power minus t, and here minus into minus plus, now plus integral e power minus t, and e power minus t integration minus e power minus t, so minus only. T limits are 0 to x, that is equal to x into e power minus x. Now here minus e power minus x plus 1 minus plus a into, here minus x e power minus x minus e power minus x upper limit. Okay, minus lower limit, first term will be 0, second term is 1. That is equal to x into e power minus x. So I'm rewriting this e power minus x plus 1 minus ax e power minus x minus a e power minus x minus plus that becomes a. Here a is there. Okay. That is equal to x into e power minus x. You may equate the constant terms. You may equate the x into e power minus x term. X into e power minus x term here minus a here 1. So a is equal to minus 1. In other words, you may equate the constant term, that is 1 plus a is equal to 0. That becomes a is equal to minus 1. Similarly, that's it. Okay, a is equal to minus 1. So what is the right option? Second option is the right option. Okay, just we know the concept, that is the given function which satisfies the given integral equation, then that is the solution of the integral equation. Now, one important formula is Leibniz rule, okay, for differentiation. Okay, that is whenever the function we are taking f of x comma t, okay, a function of two variables, and the partial derivative dou f by dou x, f with respect to x, be continuous functions, be two continuous functions. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కొన్ని శాంపుల్ కోసం కొన్ని బిట్స్ తీసుకొని చెప్పానండి. తర్వాత మనం చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం, సెట్ నెట్ షార్ట్ కట్ టిప్స్లలో చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ శాంపుల్ కోసం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్ తీసుకున్నాను, అన్ని టాపిక్స్ కవర్ చేసుకుంటూ మనం వెళ్తాం. ఓకే, లెబ్నిజ్ రూల్. First, we are taking two functions, one function that is f of x comma t, and also the first order partial derivative be continuous of both variables x and t. Okay, and also let g dash of x and h dash of x be continuous. These two also continuous functions. Be continuous. Here we can mention here continuous functions. Here also continuous functions. Continuous functions. Then the Leibniz rule is differentiation of integration, dy dx of integral g of x to h of x. Okay, f of x comma t is into dt. We are differentiating with respect to, we are integrating with respect to t and differentiating with respect to x. Integration ఏమో t తో చేస్తున్నాం, differentiation x తో చేస్తున్నాం. That formula is integral g of x, lower limit is g of x, upper limit is h of x, dou f by dou x into dt plus f of x comma upper limit h of x, f of x comma, in place of t we are writing upper limit, and differentiate the upper limit h dash of x minus capital F of x comma lower limit g of x, and differentiating the lower limit g dash of x. Okay, just we are first integration from the same limits. Okay, f of x comma t place lo we have to differentiate with respect to x partially and integrate with respect to t only. Okay, plus function of x, we are replacing t with the upper limit and multiplied with the upper derivative of upper limit, minus we are replacing t with the lower limit and multiplying with the derivative of lower limit. This is the formula to find the differentiation of integration. This is known as Leibniz principle. Okay.
Sorry for the interruption, sir. ఇది
Yes.
మన ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు, అపర్ణ అనుకుంటాను. దీన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అంటారు, ద ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ అంటారంటే ఇంజనీరింగ్ టీచర్స్ అందరికి తెలిసింది.
Yes, sir.
టూ
Yes.
వేరియబుల్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అంటారు, ద ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్. ఇప్పుడు మన ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తే లిమిట్స్ మీద తను చెప్పమని అడిగారు, చేద్దాం అనుకుని మర్చిపోయాను. ఎవరైనా సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇదే ఉంది, d/dx ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ g ఆఫ్ x టు h ఆఫ్ x f ఆఫ్ x t dt కదా, టూ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఇక్కడ
Yes.
x 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, ఎవరైనా క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తారంటే x డమ్మే సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఏముంటుందో చెప్పండి.
We are taking two variables here. Okay.
సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ అయినప్పుడు
Ah.
ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ 0 అయిపోతుందండి. f డెరివేటివ్ విత్
Ah.
రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x అంటాము. అక్కడ x వేరియబుల్ ఉండదు కాబట్టి ఇది 0
అంటే మొత్తం జీరో అయిపోతుంది. ఓన్లీ
మొత్తం 0 అవుతుంది. ఈ పార్ట్ ఉంటది, అప్పుడు అదే చెప్పాను మీకు. సో f ఆఫ్ h ఆఫ్ x h డాష్ x మైనస్ f ఆఫ్ g ఆఫ్ x h g డాష్ x. ఇది ఒకే
Okay.
పార్ట్ ఉంటదండి. దిస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అండర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్. ఒకసారి కింద రాయండి సార్, నేను చెప్తాను ఒకటి సింపుల్. దీన్ని
okay, sir. Okay. When
సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ d/dx
it is Leibniz
Two
formula,
ఫర్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్.
Leibniz rule for two variables. Two variables.
ఫర్ సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్.
Okay. Now for single variable
సీక్వెన్స్ లో గానీ లిమిట్స్ లో గానీ ఇండిటర్మినేట్ ఫార్మ్ 0/0 కు ఈ మెథడ్ వాడతాము.
Leibniz rule is d/dx. We are taking x only, sir.
Yes, sir. d/dx of integral same. Integral g of x to
some h of x
f of t dt, sir.
f of t dt.
dt, yes.
That means first term will be 0.
Yes, integral direct. So therefore upper limit substitute చేస్తే f of h of x లేదు sir,
into
f of h of x ఉంటుంది sir.
f of
h of x.
Okay, I'm sorry. Only single
ఈ
variable.
ప్లేస్ లో upper limit substitute చేసుకోవాలి.
Okay, f of h of x
into f dash x. h dash x
minus
substitute చేయాలి, డెరివేట్ చేయాలి.
f of g of x into g dash of x. This is single variable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when here f of x and g of x are constants, if f of x and g of x are constants, then this formula becomes d/dx of integral g of x to h of x capital F of x comma t. Now I'm talking about two variables, not single variable. dt. Okay, f of x comma t dt is equal to, you can see here both are constant, means h dash of x is 0, g dash of x is 0. So second and third part 0 అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు, జస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ g of x to h of x dou f by dou x into dt. Okay, this is the Leibniz rule when f of x and g of x are constant. Okay.
When the case of single variable చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా. When the case of single variable, please, what is the answer?
Okay, in case of single variable.
Yes, anybody respond please. Very simple
Zero.
answer.
Zero.
Yeah.
Zero.
ఎందుకంటే అప్పర్ లిమిట్ లోయర్ లిమిట్ రెండు కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి కాన్స్టెంట్ డెరివేట్ చేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది.
0 డైరెక్ట్ అక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm taking one more formula, that is
Sir?
integral. Yes, madam.
ఇక్కడ h of x g of x కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా సార్ లాస్ట్ ది.
I'm sorry. ఏమన్నా రాస్తాను నేను?
Of x and g of yes.
h of x. h of x. Okay, ఇలా రాసుకున్నాను, g of x and h of x. Okay, no issue. Now integral a to x and so on, integral a to x. This integration up to, we are taking n times. Okay, n times.
మన ఇది APSET లో అడిగారు సార్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. మన
Yeah.
APSET 2024.
Yes sir, n times u of t dt. We are taking function differently తీసుకున్నాను, dt and so on, dt dt means n times integration. That is equal to formula 1 by n minus 1 factorial integral a to x minus t whole to the power of n minus 1 into u of t dt. Okay, you can remember these two formulas, very important. Okay, when two variables and a single variable, and also this formula. Okay, up to n terms here, x minus t whole to the power of n minus 1 u of t dt. Okay, and one more formula I am giving you. Already you know in the intermediate level. Okay, we'll discuss later. Okay, now I'm taking the solution of the integral equation. We are taking one question from CSR net. The solution of the integral equation. Y of x is equal to x plus integral 0 to x sine x minus t y of t dt. Okay, this question set lo 2-3 times adigadandi. Okay, various state set lo kuda adigadu. First option x square plus x cube by 3 factorial. APSET lo adigadu, TSET lo kuda adigadandi. Second option x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Third option x plus x cube by 3 factorial. And fourth option x square minus x cube by 3 factorial. Okay. For this problem, for the given integral equation, we have to find the solution, which is the right option. Okay. First, I'm calculating y of 0. Okay. General method and ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది general method. Okay, shortcuts ఎలా చేస్తామనే తర్వాత చూద్దాం. First, I am taking y of 0. That means here 0, upper and lower limit both are 0, becomes 0. Okay, and differentiating with respect to x. X differentiation is 1. Okay, differentiation of integration. Okay, that means like this rule you can use here. I am writing one more step here. dy dx of integral 0 to x sine of x minus t y of t dt. Okay, this is a rule. That is equal to, that means y dash of x is equal to 1 plus, now use the formula dou by dou f by dou x. Differentiate with respect to x partially. That becomes cos x minus t. Cos x minus t, y of t dt as this. Y of t dt as this. Okay. Integration, I'm sorry, yeah. Integration 0 to x. Plus use the, replace the t by upper limit. Sine x minus x, differentiate the upper limit. That is 1. Minus, replace t by lower limit. That is sine x minus 0, and differentiate the lower limit. That is 0. So y dash of x is equal to 1 plus integral 0 to x cos x minus t y of t dt. Okay, this becomes 0, sine 0. This is 0 into something 0. Okay, this is y dash of x. Okay, now find the y dash of 0. That becomes 1. Okay, here it will be 0. Lower limit 0, upper limit is 0. Y dash of 0 is equal to 1. Previously, y of 0 is equal to 0. Now, again, differentiate with respect to x. So, first I am writing, differentiating this y dash of x. Y double dash of x. Constant derivative is 0. Okay. Again, dy dx of integral 0 to x cos x minus t y of t dt. Y of t dt. So, this is equal to, that means y double dash of x is equal to, now again use the Leibniz rule here, minus partial derivative, I'm sorry, then write the integral symbol here, integral 0 to x minus cos differentiation sin x minus t y of t dt, y of t dt plus upper limit, replace t by upper limit, that is cos x minus x, x minus x, differentiation of upper limit, minus cos x minus 0, differentiation of lower limit, that is 0. So this becomes y double dash of x is equal to minus integral 0 to, yes.
అక్కడ cos x minus x into y of x రాయవసరం లేదా సార్? t y of t బదులు
ఫార్ములాలో అది కాదు, మన ఫార్ములాలో ఏముందండి, f of x కామా h of x ఇంటూ h డాష్ ఆఫ్ x, t ప్లేస్ లో అప్పర్ లిమిట్ రాసి డెరివేటివ్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవాలి, మనకు y of t తో పని లేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Now here integral 0 to x sin x minus t y of t dt, this becomes cos 0 is 1, okay, 0 into something is 0, okay. So y double dash of x is equal to minus of, as we know that integral 0 to x sin x minus t y of t dt, this becomes here this value, that becomes y of x minus x, okay. I am writing here y of x minus x, okay, something is missing, okay, 1 second, here the sign, okay, sign, okay, cos, okay, I'm sorry, you should write y of x, okay, y of x into derivative of this, here also y of 0 into 0, okay, this becomes y of x, okay, I'm sorry, this becomes y of x, okay. So here this becomes y of x, here again y of x, so y of x will be cancelled, and y double dash of x is equal to x. So we need to calculate y of x, so integrate y dash of x, that is equal to x square by 2 plus arbitrary constant c1, okay, and y dash of 0 is equal to, we need to calculate c1, y dash of 0 becomes 0 plus c1, okay, as we know that y dash of 0 is 1, that means c1, so c1 is equal to 1, so substitute here y dash of x is equal to x square by 2 plus 1, okay. After that again different integrate, we get x cube by 6 plus x plus another arbitrary constant c2. So now calculate c2, for that I am taking y of 0, that is 0 plus 0 plus c2. We know that y of 0 is 0, this becomes c2. Therefore y of x is equal to x cube by 6 plus x, that is nothing but y of x is equal to x cube by 3 factorial plus x. This is the right option of this given problem. X cube by 3 factorial plus x. This is the right option. Okay. We can check the, according to Leibniz rule, we can check the options. Okay. Now, how to convert differential equations to integral equation? That means conversion of differential equation into integral equation. You should remember initial value problem becomes Volterra integral equation. Now initial value problem ను మీరు డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కదా ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూ ప్రాబ్లం అనేది, దాని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే వోల్టెరా ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. వోల్టెరా ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మీరు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తే ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. సిమిలర్లీ బౌండరీ వాల్యూ ప్రాబ్లం implies and implied by Frobel-Holm integral equation. If you remember, initial value problem becomes Volterra integral equation. Boundary value problem becomes Frobel-Holm integral equation. Converse is also accepted. Okay. Now I am taking one initial value problem first. Then we discuss boundary value problem. Let us take a initial value problem y double dash plus y is equal to 0 with initial conditions y of 0 is equal to 0, y dash of 0 is equal to 0 be the IVP, initial value problem. Now we need to convert this initial value problem to integral equation. For this I am taking y double dash is nothing but y double dash of x. That means independent variable is x and y nothing but y dash, y of x. Okay. So we can write it as y double dash of x is equal to minus y of x. By integration we get y dash of x is equal to integral. Okay, I am taking integration. I mentioned here integration from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to x. Integration with respect to t from t equal to 0 to t is equal to x. That means y double dash integration y dash of x. T is equal to 0 to x minus integral 0 to, here mentioned t equal to 0 to x, y of t into dt, y of t into dt. So here apply the upper and lower limits in the left side. Y dash of x minus y dash of 0 is equal to integral, you can write here t minus integral t equal to 0 to x y of t dt. Okay. Now take y dash of 0 is equal to 0. We are given initial conditions. Y of 0, y dash of 0, both are 0. So it becomes y dash of x. That is equal to integral t is equal to 0 to x, y of t dt. Okay. Now again integrate with respect to t from 0 to t equal to 0 to x. That becomes y of x. Here t is equal to 0 to x. That is equal to integral t equal to 0 to x. Integral t is equal to 0 to x, y of t dt. Y of t dt. Again dt. Okay. So here the left side y of x minus y of 0. Okay. The right side, here integration as 2 times. So integral t equal to 0 to x, n is equal to 2 here. So x minus t whole to the power of 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial into y of t dt. Y of t dt. So write y of 0 is 0. So the left side will be y of x is equal to minus integral t equal to 0 to x. That becomes x minus t y of t dt. This is Volterra integral equation. Okay. We are taking initial value problem. Okay. We are getting Volterra integral equation. Okay. This is the conversion of differential equations to integral equation. Okay. We can see the boundary, we can take the boundary value problem and convert the boundary value problem into integral equation in the next class. Okay. Any question? If you have question, you can ask. Okay, మనం శాంపుల్ గా అన్ని చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నామండి. ఓకే, ఇక బిట్స్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, బిట్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తాం చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్? Yes, sir. Shall I close, sir?
ఎస్ సార్ డెఫినెట్లీ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. నైస్ సెషన్. ఏమన్నా క్లారిఫికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి ఏమన్నా?
If you have question, you can ask. Anyone, do you have question, you can ask.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. మీకు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ పెడతాను. టీజీసెట్ సంబంధించి మేము 17, 18, 19, 23, 24 అని ఒక పీడిఎఫ్ చేసి పంపించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాము. మీరు చూడండి, ప్రతి దాంట్లో ఉంటాయి. మీరు టీజీసెట్ 2023 నేను మన యాప్ లో కూడా పెట్టాను. దాన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని చూస్తే 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయి. మీకు పెట్టిన ఒక క్వశ్చన్ పెట్టిన గ్రూప్ లో చూడండి.
2 or 3 questions compulsory వస్తున్నాయి సార్ ఇక్కడ నుండి.
సింపుల్, అంటే తక్కువ టైంలో, అంటే జస్ట్ 4 to 5 hours కనుక స్పెండ్ చేస్తే మీరు ఈజీగా ఈ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ 3 రోజులు 6 మార్కులు తెచ్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేసుకోవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. గుడ్ నైట్.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.